Prepare to be amazed by the exceptional abilities of construction workers who will redefine creativity and quality of work. Awe-inspiring feats of ingenuity, innovation, and pure skill abound in our exclusive feature, Most Ingenious Construction Workers That Are at Another Level. These builders are at a whole new level, with mind-blowing tactics and jaw-dropping collaboration. A construction mastery roller coaster awaits you, so hold on. Hi everyone, welcome to today's film. The trending machine has discovered the most creative construction workers who are beyond brilliant. And now is the appropriate moment to share them with you. Prepare to be amazed by some incredible talents, industry insider knowledge, and brilliant creations. I have no idea where the concept of using a pitchfork to remove shingles originated, but it works incredibly well. Consider how much time this craftsman had to spend honing his abilities before he could cut through such delicate material with such ease and precision. Even while it might seem simple, keep in mind that these painters cannot afford to make mistakes. To make your window appear amazing, all you need is this genius and a few dozen bricks. Now, try not to become fixated on these exact motions. Take a peek at these employees. Imagine the level of expertise and adaptability required to accomplish this. This is the result of hiring a perfectionist to install your stone staircase. Please, if your squad is as resourceful as this one, you don't even need special equipment. With skills like this, why spend time getting down off the roof? He is a professional, so proceed with caution. This guy seems to enjoy the restoration process more than the actual work because he is so skilled at it. Physics explains how these geniuses manage to retrieve a submerged excavator from a swamp with ease. Hi, will you please create a parking space in the backyard for us? It will be prepared by tomorrow, of course. What and how? It appears that these builders meant business when they said they could construct a backyard parking lot in a single day. You could watch this guy work all day long because he is that skilled at what he does. This is the method used to bend wood. Amazing. Check out this clever method for creating a smooth, curving line for the bricks with a rope. This genius lives in 2033, even while the rest of us are in 2023. Just take a look at the amazing table he made with his own hands. This guy is an engineer at heart. This professional will finish the entire street in a few hours, and man, it even has an LED sensor. When a master goes to work, this is what a house's insulation looks like. They are so well done. I always assumed they were distinct plates. Give this guy a call if you wish to complete the work earlier than expected. This one is more productive than an interior painting crew, I venture. When you can use an excavator to play floor as lava, you can be considered a true pro. That's amazing! They seem to be able to move mountains together, and this is what I would call cooperation. When he was little, this man loved building sand castles. But now look at what he can accomplish with it. Call this master of turmoil if you want your renovation to appear even more lavish. See how this pro handles the task if you're still dragging big curbstones. Just consider how long it would take to apply this to the entire wall. However, the outcome is amazing. Who knows how many neat freaks this hero's color coding of the pavers saved? His father instilled in him the value of working smarter, not harder, and Sophie invented this gadget. It makes no sense to Google how to level fresh cement without damaging it, now that this genius has demonstrated to us. These guys do amazing work that produces incredibly snug outcomes, and they make erecting a pergola look so easy. He responds, "I can do it anywhere," to the question of why he didn't do it on the ground. To construct this chic mandala, the guy used paint, masking tape, and amazing talent for over 5 hours. There aren't many master builders like this one, thus it's difficult to find someone who can construct a floor out of such premium oak pieces. Look at this amazing paint job. To be able to do anything this high up, one must be a true professional. Permit me to draw your attention to the flawless way that epoxy artistry creates exterior corners. Using this amazing gadget, this individual levels the plaster on the ceiling without releasing a single grain of dust. These builders work so quickly that they can construct your stone steps from the ground up in a matter of hours. Suppose you order a crew of loaders, and this guy shows up and finishes the job twice as quickly. Such an amazing construction could only be put together by a genuine master. It's not only action movies where tough characters can handle two guns simultaneously. This is called the plaster fighter if old plaster needs to be maintained. This worker from China applies silicone to seams flawlessly on the first attempt, never requiring a second attempt. Take a look at this clever method for preventing foot impressions on surfaces. It seems like this guy will never be without work. He can always become an acrobat if he grows bored with building houses. Having a teammate who is adept at arranging the slabs without making any physical contact is rather impressive. What separates a professional worker from an average employee? It takes him just 2 movements to achieve the ideal angle. A truly clever worker will always figure out how to cut down on time. Even though houses are currently being built using 3D printers, this man shows that no machine can perform his job as well as he can. These Chinese laborers are putting in a tile roof that will undoubtedly survive for more than a century. Check out this incredible team effort today. Nothing more needs to be said, so just watch. Perfectly. Were you aware that this was the way these road symbols were painted? Tell us in the comments below. This man has discovered the quickest and most precise method for breaking a window, attempting to choose the ideal stone wall for your living room. For this creative craftsman, stones are not an issue. When you are on vacation and your boss calls you in for a shift, this is what happens. See how these creative employees devised a method to streamline their job processes. In this video, guys in India are using only a hammer and chisel to shatter a 30-foot tall rock. The task moves twice as quickly when you understand physics. I have never seen a mosaic adhered to a surface quite like this. By the end of the week, if he continues in this manner, he will have constructed a whole block. Take a look at the amazing stairs that this team is building. How much genius is it to be able to create such an odd 3D illusion with just a spray can and a standard stencil? These women can use hair dryers and epoxy to build a beach on your table. Simply observe. And now for another gifted Moroccan artist who will create a work of art on your wall. If you need ceiling decoration, I've located the expert craftsman for you. What would you say about the folks who, in a matter of days, completely rebuilt a swimming pool in their backyard? Yes, you are correct, true professionals. And for your amusement, here is some ASMR building. Why does everything seem so simple until you give it a try? Oh yes, when you witness the actions of a genuine master. This person is passionate about what they do. Amazing. His movements are just too flawless and fluid for a regular person. Wow. Sometimes all you need to inspire your next design is a simple coat of paint to create a cozy area. Take a look at these expert abilities. Even most people aren't able to. Hammer nails with such ease. This man completes a wall in half the time it takes everyone else a whole day. Find me another construction worker with the necessary skills to complete this task. Look at this man's example and know that anything is possible if you've ever questioned yourself. Please observe the speed with which these builders complete the floor. This guy can cut anything, anywhere, I promise. This is the modern approach of building new schools. Imagine the level of responsibility required of a crane driver. But don't worry, we have an expert on our hands. This logistical whiz negates the need for an unloading team altogether. As these professionals go to work, we see naturally occurring cobblestone pathways. How do you feel about this marvel that they've produced? Coconut geotextiles are being used by builders to create superior pavement that is not prone to sagging. Observing experts at work is always enjoyable. Yes, that is what happens when an enormous oil tanker runs aground. Employees must apply their creative thinking to come up with a solution. See the amazing collaboration that goes into building a complex dome structure. The skill of those who can design and put together propellers for enormous ships astounds me. Just wait and see if this bricklayer's exquisite job meets your expectations. This builder only needs to deactivate gravity to complete the task flawlessly. Examine it from the perspective of experts. Building a submarine is a true work of art. I have an inquiry for the daredevils who are collaborating with this flaming beauty. Did you forge the hammer of Thor? Watch the builder's mesh wizardry create the most unique wall you've ever seen. It's incredible how these talented artisans physically paint a plane using 100 kg of paint. And there you have it, people. A peek inside the amazing realm of construction expertise. These employees have raised the bar with their incredible feats and creative methods. Please remember to subscribe for more incredible material if you liked this demonstration of talent and originality. Press the subscribe button to ensure you never miss anything new from the innovative construction world. Until the next time, never stop being inspired and creating amazing things. Join us on this exploratory adventure by subscribing right now.